So hi guys, I'm Tavonic Spider, and right now I'm going to the Bajaj showroom at Palarivattam. A friend of mine is receiving his brand new Dominar, which he actually invited me to come by. Before I actually skip to the showroom itself, I gotta talk about something which was the video that I uploaded yesterday. I deleted the video because it was a bit too unprofessional. Let's just say fucking fixed. Fuck. Yeah, a lot of efforts, flailed around like a drunk person. I wasn't drunk, but I was just venting my humble frustrations. Yeah, the point still remains. I am very disappointed by what Honda did, and their decision to just ignore the enthusiasts. They are extremely biased towards the scooter industry. I still love the CBR 250R. It is one of my favorite bikes that I've ridden. I had the bike for 2 days thanks to Chevron the Explorer, and getting to ride it around the city to college and all that stuff, I just fell in love with it. It felt pretty sweet. So probably I'd end up buying that bike. I'm not mad at the CBR 250R, I'm just mad at HMSI, Honda Motorcycles and Scooters India. Anyways, that's really what I want to talk about. Now let's just cut to the showroom video where I talk with some friends and stuff. See ya.
I know where we can go.
എന്റെ അമ്മോ, എന്റെ തൊണ്ട പോയേ. My throat and lungs are completely obliterated. There is Aravind, or Knowing India, and I reached the showroom at 6 p.m. and I had to wait like 40 minutes before the dude came, Mr. Anandu, who's a chill guy, and I get to meet some other people, which I have already met before, but my poor memory doesn't serve me good. Hey, your Hornet. CL. If things are too loud, it's just that I set the microphone volume to 100%. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Ah. Can't see shit when I close the visor, and if I open the visor, my eyes are exposed to shit. Such is the life of a loser named Turbonic Spider. Well, I ain't exactly a loser, but for joking purposes, I am a loser. If only... What the fuck is that? What's that? What about it? Maria! Oh shit! Shit! ചേട്ടാ വേഗം പോ. Okay, so I am quitting here because it's raining and I don't want to damage my